Hello friends, I Shushant K. Merai, Assistant Professor in Mechanical Engineering Department from R.N.G. Patel Institute of Technology, Bavdoli. In today's video lecture session, we will discuss about Solex carburetor from the subject Internal Combustion Engine. In this video lecture session, we are covered working of Solex carburetor for different operating conditions like starting, normal working, idling and low load, acceleration, etc. Now this is the line diagram of Solex carburetor. But the Solex carburetor is also known as constant choke type carburetor. Mixture requirement for stationary engine is almost fixed, but in an automobile engine, mixture requirement is different for different operating conditions like idling, starting, normal running, acceleration, high power, etc. For that, air fuel ratio will be different in modern carburetor. The mass flow rate of fuel or air depend on cross-sectional area, density and pressure difference. In Solex carburetor, fuel and air supply varied as pressure difference changes with engine speed. So this carburetor is also known as constant choke carburetor or constant Venturi type carburetor. Now we are discuss about different conditions in Solex carburetor. In most common type of carburetor which is used in all standards car, it is famous for easy starting, good performance and reliability. This is also provided with basics jet required for starting, normal running, also with separate idling jet and accelerating jet. Now first, starting condition. The unique feature of Solex carburetor is provision for bi-starter or progressive starter. Starter valve is in the form of disc with hole of different size. These holes are connected to the petrol jet. The starter air is also supplied over the starting disc. The mixture passage is connected to the downside of the throttle valve. The quantity of fuel supplied through this disc depend upon hole opening in the starting passage. At the beginning, very rich mixture is used by bigger hole to open, and as the engine start, then small holes are brought in contact as required richness is reduced. After the engine gain rated speed, the starter lever is brought to off position. This is the initial starting condition for this carburetor. Second one is the main jet. Another feature of this carburetor is a provision of booster venturi in addition to main venturi. The fuel from the main jet is supplied into booster venturi. The part of total air is passed through a booster venturi where the air velocity become very high, so that the fuel injected is spray in very fine particles and mix with the air. As the mixture leaves the booster venturi, the mixture is mixed with the remaining air and unfortunately distributed. When it entered in the main venturi, then again the mixture velocity increase. This helps for better vaporization of fuel. Now next is idling condition. For this idling condition, the Solex carburetor is provided with the ideal jet. In this carburetor, a separate idling jet is provided for the rich mixture. A fuel connection from the main line, leading to main jet is taken and opened to the downside of the throttle valve through an air screw as shown in figure. Fuel is drawn and mixed with air coming through the air screw and supplied to the engine. The volume control screw controls the flow of air and control the richness of the mixture supplied with high accuracy. To ensure the smooth transfer from ideal circuit to the main circuit, without occurrence of flat spot, a bypass orifice towards venturi side near the ideal jet is provided. Now next one is accelerating jet. A separate accelerating pump is provided in this carburetor. Whenever accelerating pedal is pressed, an extra fuel is supplied through an accelerating jet. When the pedal is released, it is taken up by the spring provided in accelerating valve. This causes little vacuum in the accelerating valve and petrol from the main float chamber admitted the petrol into accelerating valve. This is the different condition which are covered in this Solex carburetor. Thank you all to listen patiently to me. If you like this video, then please subscribe my channel Learning Hub 2K20, like it and share it, and don't forget to press the bell icon for getting new updated video. Thank you all. Jai Hind.